Shinde. What's your name?
My name is Unnati Anil. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Priya Vikas Shinde. I am learning 5th standard. My school name is जिल्हा परिषद पूर्व माध्यमिक शाळा निखळ बाजार तालुका अंजनगाव जिल्हा अमरावती. My mother name is Priya. My brother name is Shivraj. My grandmother name is Devi. My father name is Vikas.
What's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish name is gulab jamun.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower name is rose.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is rangoli.
What's your color name? What's your favorite color name?
My favorite color baby pink.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game kho-kho.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit mango.
What's your teacher name?
My teacher name is Vaishali Sarojit.
I am like school.
Your favorite Sarojit teacher, my favorite. She loves us.